Sure what today's date is offhand.
15th.
Oh, I guess it's the 15th. His 50 hours was officially complete this morning. We're down here by Mexico on a 34-hour break. Hell yeah. So, Texas Roadhouse near McAllen, or in McAllen, Texas. We just ordered some steaks, and I'll pick up this video when we get the steaks over here. Anyway, yeah, hang tight. Enjoy this drink with me. By the way, this bread, that butter are bomb. Be jealous. Be very jealous. And then look at that. Oh, hell yeah. You got the same thing, but with corn. Alright. I'm going to eat this goodness later.